In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Discord password on PC. Whether you're using the desktop app or Discord in a web browser, the process is the same, and it only takes a minute once you know where everything is. First, open Discord on your computer and look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area with your avatar, and right next to it is a small gear icon. That gear opens your user settings. Click it to get started. Inside User Settings, you'll find a list of sections on the left side. Select My Account. This is where your basic account details live, including your username, email, and your password controls. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It's right near the top of the list. Now, scroll down within My Account until you see the option labeled Change Password. It's typically in the Password and Authentication section. Click Change Password to bring up the fields you'll need. Discord will ask you for three things: your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of the new one. Start by carefully entering your current password. Make sure caps lock isn't on and watch out for typos. Then, create a new password that's strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a new one so you won't forget it. Type the new password again in the confirmation box exactly the same way. Many people find it helpful to use the little show eye icon so you can verify what you've typed, especially if your new password is long. When all three fields are filled out correctly, confirm the change by clicking the button to apply it. If anything doesn't match, Discord will let you know so you can fix it before proceeding. Once accepted, your password is updated immediately. If you can't remember your current password, you'll need to recover it before you can continue with this change. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to My Account, scroll to Change Password, then enter your current password and your new one twice to confirm. Take a moment to store your new password somewhere secure so you're not locked out later. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set with a safer, updated password and can get right back to chatting on Discord.